Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you what is Snapchat My AI and how to use it. First of all, open up the Snapchat app. Once you get into your Snapchat account, tap on Chats. From here, you can find My AI. You can chat with your AI. The more you talk, the more it will understand you. Also, you can ask any questions from your AI. Then tap and hold on its answer. And click to submit feedback of your AI message. You can give your suggestions regarding the changes or improvements you want in your AI. Then choose the topic and click to submit your feedback. Then go back to Chats and click on your AI chat. Then go into its chat info and you can change the chat wallpaper from here. You can only do this if you have the Snapchat Plus subscription. And you can also rename your AI's name and edit its avatar. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.